I think I try to embrace it. I think that a difference between like the way that I work and my father works is his work is all about preciousness and exactness and, you know, making sure that two metals meet perfectly and that you don't see any gunk or like bumps within the meeting of those things. And I think within my work, I veered, maybe because it's just like a father-daughter thing, but also like in terms of like traditional Native arts tend to be a lot about aesthetics and beauty and perfection in a lot of ways. And so when I see kind of those serendipitous moments happen, I realize that like I want to show that. I want to show the, you know, kind of rifts in a moment, the bumpy parts, and like so I there are times where I do definitely like embrace that. And I think in my video, and that's why I like video so much, is that you have no idea what's necessarily going to happen, at least when I make my work. And so it's unexpected, like what you catch on the video and what you know, face I might have. And I like those moments, to capture those moments of goofiness or kind of idiocy.